The harmful effects of staying up late. Many people have a habit of regularly staying up late. It is a bad habit for health. However, not everyone knows the harmful effects of staying up late on your body and skin. After a tiring working day, the night is when the body is resting, restoring health, and balancing the body's elements. Staying up late often has a significant impact on health and affects beauty, especially for women. If you love this channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos. Staying up late can cause headaches and memory loss. According to statistics, the proportion of people with the habit of staying up late with memory impairment is 5 times higher than that of ordinary people without the habit of staying up late. Because evening time is the time for your brain to rest and remember the activities during the day. But when we stay up late, we increase the amount of information to remember, while reducing the brain's rest time. On the other hand, when staying up late, or sleeping too little, it is easy to have headaches the next day. If you stay up frequently, it will cause mental disorders, such as anxiety, quickly irritability, stress, headache. Sleep for 8 hours a day to reduce the risk of headaches, fatigue, and especially symptoms of memory impairment. It affects the immune system. When staying up late, the body is prone to lack of energy, fatigue, and decreases the body's resistance. Therefore, people who stay up often late will be more susceptible to diseases than people who get enough sleep. Endocrine disorders. During sleep, the body secretes balanced hormones that help the body avoid falling into a state of endocrine disruption. In people who often stay up late or do not sleep enough, hormone deficiency or imbalance. In women who regularly stay up late, cause menstrual disorders, increase the risk of uterine fibroids. It affects the digestive system. Stomach cells can regenerate and recover at night during sleep. Staying up late at night prevents these cells from resting, leading to impairment. Staying up late can cause more gastric secretions, to cause stomach ulcers if the condition persists. Staying up late reduces vision. At night, when the eyes need to rest, after the whole workday, when we stay up at night, the eyes have to continue working. Plus, the condition is not enough light, as long as the eyesight will decrease significantly. Suppose you stay up late working with electronic devices, such as computer monitors. In that case, your phone will require your eyes to regulate and release lubricating fluids. The longer you look for a long time, and the light conditions are not adequate, the more lubricating fluid your eyes have to remove, which is also the cause of the dry, tired eyes. Also, a computer or phone screen light is called blue light. When we work at night, the higher the concentration level, the more of this light your eyes will focus on. Blue light by nature is the most energetic of visible light, which can penetrate the eyeball's natural light filtering layers to the bottom of the eye and damage the retina. Blue light damage is permanent and will accumulate over time, eventually leading to eye problems, most commonly macular degeneration, a leading cause blind. Today, macular degeneration is gradually rejuvenating, and many research results show that blue light is a factor promoting early development. Effects on aesthetics. Skin cells are regenerated at night more quickly than during the day. Staying up late will cause abnormal regeneration and regulation of skin cells, affecting the skin's function. It causes the skin to age prematurely, dull, appear wrinkles, dry skin, acne. Without adequate rest, staying up late will lead to low blood circulation around the eyes, dark circles around the eyes, blood streaks in the whites of the eyes, and puffiness. To avoid the harm caused by staying up late, we should limit staying up late, sleeping before 12 o'clock, and 8 hours a day, drinking enough water, and providing adequate nutrition. is also a measure to help reduce the effects of staying up late. Health is gold. Please watch other health videos to have more health knowledge for yourself.